Bike Video SRT. Fixing to go do the Ramona cruise today. So yeah, we're gonna see what kind of action we can get. Stay tuned. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All that helps tremendously. Peace. Stay tuned.
This is Mary and Paul, and we're touring Ramona. Yippee-ki-yay! Oh, baby! I had a black Falcon just like that.
Black Betty, bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, bam-a-lam, she really gets me high. Bam-a-lam, you know that's no lie. Had an angel of mercy to see me through all my sins.
Archibald.
Tell us about the car. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Hot dang.
Plymouth.
Wow.
And what color is that? Seafoam. Seafoam.
Hey y'all.
You guys enjoying the show?
Having fun? That's an oldie but a goodie. Get some AC/DC on here, man.